us out. What's up, it's Mark. This is a 2007 Ford F-350 Outlaw. Nasty, fully built truck. She's nasty. I mean, she gets down really good. My buddy used to own this truck and had it for many, many years, and did a lot of work to it. It's studded, it's deleted, it's got some goodies on it. So I'll show you how it sounds. I'm not going to really rag the piss out of it, obviously, but she definitely does work. Super, super nice truck. It's a Lariat Outlaw, they call it. Rare truck, only a few were made, and this is one of them. They all come with the signature seats, red interior, two-tone, black leather, red and black. Sunroof. Here she goes, listen. You can kind of hear. She sounds nasty, she rolls. But hope you guys like the video. I'm going to post more videos later on because I'm trying to concentrate on driving. I got a busy day ahead of me today. So stay tuned. This is Mark signing out.
Guys, what is up? Welcome to Superior Wholesale. We have probably the nicest, most badass 2007 Ford F-350 Outlaw. Guys, this is a bulletproof 6.0 liter. This thing it's scary. That's how fast it is. Guys, there's so many modifications done to this truck. I'm gonna have to go in here and read y'all a list because I forgot which one of them was. So I'm gonna give y'all a startup real quick. I know y'all want to hear this thing. Shit, almost fell. You have your fuel gauge, power meter gauge, your boost, SCT tune, guys. Beautiful interior, absolutely gorgeous. They only made this truck for 1 year. Got about a 4 to 5 inch exhaust tip. I'm gonna go ahead and read y'all the modifications for this, y'all. Engine upgrades, 175/75. Warren diesel injectors, Barber Stage 2 VGT turbo, Martys diesel complete fuel system with regulated return, APR head studs, EGR delete, Banks intercooler kit, PSP coolant tank, PSP wire holder, PSP wind deflector, OEM Ford 6.7 liter Powerstroke starter. Guys, the starter went out in this truck. It just so happened that 6.7 liter, the Ford made a better starter for that truck, and it actually fit on this truck. So the guy we got it from actually put it in. Billet oil filter cap, Mishimoto aluminum radiator, which you also can see in the pictures, Ford intercooler, oil cooler, I'm sorry, upgraded standpipes and dummy plugs and STC fitting, suspension upgrades, 3.5 inch rough country lift kit, 20x9 equal alloy wheels, 35/12/20 Nito G2s, dual rough country steering stabilizer, rear traction bars. You guys can see that in the pictures. Body upgrades, 2015 step sides, 2015 tailgate, 2015 rear bumpers. Yeah, guys, there's more pages. 2015 tail lights, LED headlights and fog lights, 7-in 3-inch cowl hood. Y'all, this hood is bad. I mean, you guys can see it from the pictures. It brings out the performance and the looks of this truck. You guys can see it through the windshield. I mean, it sits high, it's beautiful. SCT X4 tuning, has Gearhead Automotive tunes, has quick trick tune. Guys, the interior of this truck is absolutely fabulous. There's 144,836 miles on this. Mark wants me to keep this video around 3 minutes. I don't think that's gonna happen. SCT tune here. I said all the gauges. I mean, this truck's actually, can't speak, I'm sorry. Immaculate. I mean, absolutely gorgeous. Pop the hood for y'all real quick before we call it a day. Trunk right here. ACR head stuff down there. Upgraded there, upgraded radiator here with the Mishimoto. S&E air filter, S&B, I'm sorry, S&B air filter here. Truck's absolutely beautiful, guys. Blows a lot of smoke. More smoke than Snoop Dogg. That's right. This thing rolls cold like I've never seen before. This truck is nasty, bad. Here's the back. Right here's the lower balance for the front. The front one that's on it now is a little damaged. We have a brand new one sitting right back here waiting for you. Come check this truck out, guys. 4603 Jefferson Davis Highway, Fredericksburg, Virginia 22408. Like, subscribe, one up this Mark on YouTube. See some of our crazy ass videos. Here it is. Come check it out, y'all. Noah, it's a 2007 Ford OUTLAW F-350 6.0 bulletproof. Upgrades out the ass. Come check it out, y'all.